So here is my Redneckified automatic dog food feeder, and here I got a 4-inch PVC, and I use a circular saw to cut out the little wheel you see in there that's spinning. I have a 12-volt DC motor, and here I got a motion sensor. So the theory is the dog comes out, wants to eat, this kicks on, spits out food. So here I got it already dispensed some food. I got to actually put a funnel in here so the food funnels down. And well, it got stuck. So I guess it's still in the R&D works. Well, that's my idea. Anyways, my wife told me not all my ideas work, but hey, I try.